White coupe but a pecan, thick bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvie, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend, you know we spin the pin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. So these are the heels I'm going to be using for this DIY project. You're also going to need some ostrich feathers. I got these from Amazon. So here I'm just placing them where I want them to go. I thought I was just going to use 3. So I'm just lining up 3 feathers, 1 on the side, well 2 on each side. Sorry, 1 on each side and then 1 in the middle, just to see where I'm going to place it. As you can see the little mark right there, I originally put glue there and it was just too far over, so I just took it off. That's the good thing about using a hot glue gun, because you could just literally take it off whenever. So I'm just going ahead and apply the hot glue, and then I'm just going to pretty much press the feathers on there. This project is super easy. It doesn't take that much time. That's why I love it. And then, you know, you'll end up with some popping shoes in the end. So I'm just adding a little bit of glue in the back of the heel, so the feathers can stick up straight, because they were kind of curving over. That's why I bent the feathers back, because it was kind of curving. I didn't know how that was going to look once I put them on. So pretty much I am literally done with the shoe. You can literally stop at this part right here if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and add more feathers, just because I wanted a little bit more extra. Like, it wasn't enough feathers for me. As far as the heels go, these are just literally some old heels that I found in my closet that I don't ever wear. So I was like, why not just, you know, spice them up a bit so I can actually wear them? Because, I mean, they're a great pair of just plain black heels, but I don't wear them. So I was just like, why not? They're old. So let's just go ahead and put some glue on them. Also, at the end of the video, I am going to be doing another DIY, so you guys just go ahead and stay tuned for that as well. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut a piece of fabric that I had laying around. I would prefer using the same color that you're using as the heels, but this is literally all I had. But I mean, you're not going to see it, so yeah. So I'm just going to pretty much cut a piece of the fabric off and lay it against the end of the feathers, if that makes sense. You're pretty much going to see what I'm doing, just so the end of the feathers won't like stick me in the back of my heels while I'm walking. So just pretty much to make it more comfortable for y'all. So this is what I did. You can definitely skip this step if you want to, but I do suggest doing it just so, you know, you're a little bit more comfortable. And, you know, probably pick the same color. You know, don't be like me and pick some cheetah. I mean, then again, you're not going to see it, but yeah. So this is pretty much just what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to glue that on there as well. Alright, so this is the final product. I love how these shoes turned out. I literally wanted every color, guys. Like, they're super cute, so freaking bomb. Like, they look expensive to me, you know what I mean? So, you know, ain't nobody got time to be going to YSL buying some $1,000 shoes. Alright, so on to our next DIY project. This is just a, I want to say jacket, dress, kimono, whatever you want to call it, okay? This is cardigan. So we're pretty much going to spice this up a bit, and we're going to add some more feathers. And this is how it's going to look after. I'm going to show you guys how I did this super easy 5-minute, you know, spicing up a cardigan situation, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's get into it. So first we're going to need, of course, your glue gun, your ostrich feathers. I got these as well from Amazon. It's a trimming, so it's kind of different from the other ones. Then some scissors, and then whatever little cardigan that you have. So I'm pretty much trying to decide how I wanted to put them on there, like, well, where I wanted to put them on there, because I did like the look of it being folded, but I just, you know, was just like, whatever, we're just going to put it on top of the folded crease, if that makes sense. Pretty much I'm just gonna let y'all watch, and I'm just gonna stop talking because it's self-explanatory. Honestly, you don't need me here. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, and one more thing. Okay, the little blue towel that I'm laying on, listen y'all, that's my makeup towel, so don't come for me in the comments. I'm not dirty, okay? It's clean. It just got little, you know, some makeup stains on it. Your girl is not dirty. That's all I have to say. Alright, so we're all done. This is how it turns out. It looks so cute and bougie. I hope you guys did like these DIYs. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.
Ooh, bear making. Hey, yo. To making